Hi, if you're seeing these solutions on YouTube, click on the description below, take these as a test and then check out the solutions for free.
What is the fraction represented by the shaded portion of the square shown below? Wonderful, wonderful question. Wow. What is the fraction represented by the shaded portion shown below? And so, think about it. Shaded portion is, this is a square. We have, it's broken into 1, 2, 3, 4 parts, of which one is shaded. 1 by 4. Is it 1 by 4? Of course it's not 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is a quarter. This doesn't seem like it's a quarter. We cannot just count regions. We cannot say there are 4 regions, 1, 2, 3, and this one being 4th. That doesn't work because the 4 regions are not equal. It's not 1 by 4. We cannot say 1 out of 4 regions is like this. Right? So you cannot say there are 4 countries. Right? So India, and Sri Lanka, Luxembourg, and New Zealand, and 1/4 of the people live in India. And out of these 4 countries, that doesn't work. India has more than 1 billion people. These 3 are smaller countries. Luxembourg is practically only a city. Right? So whenever you're saying 1 by 4 or 1 by 5, then you have to think about the regions being carved out as equal regions. The denominator has to be equal. This 4 has to be 4 equal regions. A very, very important idea. Keep this in mind. We'll be revisiting this notion a lot. When you go to higher classes, the whole of probability theory is based on this denominator. Fine. So be very careful about it. We cannot just say 4 regions, therefore 1 by 4. That doesn't work. So we want to find this shaded region, this region here. So we need to figure out how many of this shaded regions can make up the whole region. We know that this line splits it into 2 equal parts. That much we know. We know if we draw this line, that will split the square into 4 equal parts. Now we have drawn this line. Out of 1/4, this takes off half. The shaded region is half of 1/4. So you can say, I've broken this into 4 quadrants. And in 1 quadrant, I'm breaking it further. Half of a quarter, or it is 1 by 8. The other way of doing this, draw this line also. Now you have equal regions. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is not 4, 5. This is 6, 7, 8. There are 8 equal regions, of which one is shaded 1 by 8. Whenever you're doing a fraction, then when you're saying this 1/4 of something, 1/3 of something, then the 1/3 of what? That is important. And whenever you're saying out of 4 regions, you get 1. Therefore, it is 1/4. You have to make sure the 4 regions are equal. That is very vital.